Good morning, friends. My name is Dr. Suresh Gupta, MD. I'm a practicing physician in internal medicine geriatrics in metropolitan Washington, D.C. in Silver Spring, Maryland. I have been here for 30 years in this office, practiced for a long time, a outpatient medicine practice in the office setting in this office, and also at a nearby hospital for doing inpatient medicine till today, which I have really enjoyed. A service to the community, to my profession of medicine. It has been a good ride, a good experience for so long, 30 years. Also, quite a while back, we have been teaching students from GW University Hospital at our Holy Cross Hospital, where we had the pleasure of teaching students and the residents while doing our profession of medicine. I end up also liking this and taking international medical graduates at my own office and the hospital where I work, and bring these students from all over the world. I've had the pleasure of having students from many nations like Peru, like Azerbaijan, Indonesia, Malaysia, Brazil, Gambia, India, and so many other nations. Over the years, it has become a really international medical community of international medical graduates. It's an honor to be part of this, teaching and learning from these students who have really become part of our lives. When they grow and go out, when they pass the exam, when they do feel good, I look good, I feel better. It's an enjoyment which we all have. This month we happen to have 3 students. One is from Malaysia, and I've got 2 other students who are in their second week. Usually there's a 4-week program. The current student is a medical student from Malaysia. Her name is Nurul Amirah, that's her name. She has been with us. Tomorrow, not today, is her last day of 4 weeks training. She has been a pleasure to work with, and she's a young graduate student from her country, Malaysia. And tomorrow being her last day of her rotation, I'd like to invite her to share her experience with us. So, Nurul, please join us and see what you have to say. You're on to go ahead. We welcome you.
Thank you. Okay, my name is Amirah. I'm a medical student from Malaysia, and I would say that for this past 4 weeks, although it was short, but I would say it's one of the greatest experience I've had. Every day I learn a new thing, and I would really like to thank Dr. Gupta, because every day after we finish seeing the patients in the clinic, we'll have a discussion in his office, and a day we'll do about 2 or 3 topics. And I like the fact that, every time he'll spend an hour or maybe more than that to discuss about a topic, and by the end of the day I feel good because I learned a new topic, or I learned a newer information about the topic that I've learned in my university. And it has been a great pleasure because it's very, I would say it's very rare or very difficult for a doctor it's very difficult. Sometimes doctors have they're busy with their daily lives, but in order for them to actually spend time to teach their students, it's been an honor. And I am very thankful that Dr. Gupta has spent his time teaching me for this past 4 weeks. And during these 4 weeks as well, I've learned that the system in the States is pretty much more or less. There's some that are same with Malaysia, some are different, and I get to see that, and it's really an eye-opener. And I look forward to going back to Malaysia, sharing my experience and my knowledge, whatever that I've learned for the past 4 weeks, to my friends and my my juniors in school. So it has been a pleasure. I thank you so much for these 4 weeks, and I look forward to meeting you again in the future, and hopefully to on one day when I'm a doctor, I hope to be on the same level with you, and I thank you for that. Yeah.
Thank you. It has been a great pleasure to work with you and to share 4 weeks of our experience with you. Well, friends, we just want to share, if you need any help or guidance or interaction with us, please feel free to reach out to us. My name is Suresh K. Gupta, MD. My email is skgupta, GUPTA, @gmail.com, and my cell number to reach me is at 301-332-9444. 9596, and of course you can reach on Facebook. Thank you. It's been a pleasure.